I'm going to teach you how to make a BOBO balloon. First, you're going to take your balloon and you're going to stretch it out. It is very strong, so don't really worry about ripping it because it is very sturdy. You want to make sure you're stretching it out evenly because if you don't, when you blow it up, it will blow up lopsided and we don't want that. I did test it out and it will not work if you don't stretch it out like the way that I did. And then you're going to either use a hand pump or you could use an electric pump like I have here. This is just a standard balloon pump. And you're going to want to pump it up. I just honestly wanted to see if it was going to blow up properly. And I'm happy because it is blowing up properly. Then when you're done, you're going to take it off and then you're going to deflate it. I just wanted to stretch out the balloon. Now I'm going to take my first balloon and I'm just going to stuff it inside and then put my balloon onto the balloon pump and put some air in it. I don't have enough space for my balloon, so I'm adding more air into the clear balloon and then I'm tying the purple balloon. It's actually pretty easy. It looks harder than it actually is. So you're going to just tie the purple balloon like this. Next, you're going to stick in another balloon and you're going to just repeat the process. It does take some patience, so if you don't get it on the first try, definitely don't give up because it is not as hard as it looks, but you do need to practice. So you're just going to keep doing the same thing, sticking your balloon inside and then filling it up with air and then tying it. Here are the BOBO balloons that I used. I did get the 24-inch pack. I tried the bigger pack, but the balloons were just way too big. So the 24 inches would be perfect for this type of project that I'm making. I also purchased balloon stands, and here is the pack that I got of 12. Both of the balloons and the stands I got from Amazon. It does come with balloon glue, so it's kind of like this sticky material that you put on the stand and the balloon to hold it in place. You do want to make sure that you have enough air in the actual BOBO balloon or else it will squish your balloons inside. It's really simple to just add more air. Just place the air pump where the clear balloon is and just add more air. But you definitely don't want your balloons to be squished or else they will become lopsided. So as I'm looking at my balloon so far, I really do not like the purple balloon because it's way too small. So I'm going to try to take it out and put a little hole in it and just take the air out because I don't want that balloon in there anymore. It's a little small, so I needed to add more air to get the rest of the purple balloon out of there. Oh, I still need to, there you go. Now that we have our balloons inside, we're going to twist the BOBO balloon at the end of it so that the air can stay inside of it. Then I grab a rubber band and I'm just going to tie the end with the rubber band. I've seen people tie the end with a balloon, like they just use the balloon as a rubber band, but I found the rubber band to work pretty easy and I figure it would be less material, so it will look more neat than a balloon would. So I'm just finishing tying it up. So I want to make sure that my balloon is a perfect circle. So I'm pressing it down because it does look a little oval shaped here. So you're just gonna, press it down gently and try to even it out a little bit. When you're finished with your balloon, I recommend adding it to a balloon stand like I showed you earlier. I did cut some vinyl with my Cricut maker to decorate it where it says Birthday Queen, and I love the color scheme that I used. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.